So I'm I've made this video because I wanted to document the process of sugarcane and sugar production and its consumption in Pakistan. So what happened is I wanted to work on my research and analysis skills. So I said, why not? Let's work on this. So what I did, I began to find the random data to just give it structure to this research. Okay, how the numbers are, because I do not have understanding of the agriculture at all. So I do read, but that's not. I have not done the analysis before. So this time I did this analysis, and while I was structuring and picking up the data, उसमें मुझे ये नंबर्स मिले पॉइंट्स में 5.4 मिलियन metric tons हमारे पास we are producing sugar cane. Here we have consumption of 4.95 million metric tons, and that is the 2015 data. So I began to extract all this, and then I went on. अच्छा, what I did, फिर ये जो data I have extracted, not the research, I picked this from AI just to give structure to the research work. So I began to increase write them in full numbers, क्योंकि होता ये है कि when we write 5.4 in sugarcane production and then when we write in 5.4 million in whole numbers, तो जो आगे के numbers होते हैं छोटे छोटे uh, in different digits, so they create a lot of impact. So I began to. Actually, this is just an explanatory video. I'm trying to document the process so I can make it more coherent and concise so that I can, in the process of making this video, and the saver video that I would make, to find out maybe the you can say a linear method to complete this, because as I'm trying to put more effort in this, it's expanding by decimal points, you can say. So if I started from 1,000, it's going to minus 0.01 decimal points. So that is the metaphorical, just a sentence to give you visualization. Okay, I started from this and this is going like expanding. Then I began to put these numbers into extensive form, trying to analyze के 5.4 million हमारे पास sugar cane का production था, and then we have the consumption of 4.9 million metric tons. तो हमारे पास excess था 450 lakh 450,000 sugar cane production का. हमने इसमें से 400,000 sugar cane हमने export कर दिया. We had still excess of 50,000, and the income amount and all this. So ये सारा I've tried to, but this was not enough. And then I tried to find कि उसका consumption rate क्या था, billion में क्या amount होगा, and then what will be in revenue in dollars, PKR and dollars. फिर when you write, let's say revenue in dollars, you write 2.70 billion dollars, but in actual it's 2,695,544 544,554. So that is uh, dollars. So that इतना आपके पास difference आ जाता है when you write in this concise numbers and when you expand them here. अच्छा, then I went to find the exact sources. I found the PSMA, Pakistan Sugar Mill Association. यहाँ से मुझे बहुत सारा डेटा मिला. I tried to uh, find the relevant factors and to analyze it. So ये मिल्क का यूटिलाइजेशन कितना है, केन कितना क्रश हुआ, शुगर मेड, रिकवरी परसेंटेज क्या था, शुगर कंजम्पशन एंड ऑल दैट. फिर while I was compiling all this data, इसमें थोड़े discrepancies थे, मिल्स कितने हैं, indicated price कितने हैं, this is all here. there were discrepancies, and यहाँ पे I've also tried to compile कि इसमें इश्यूज़ क्या हैं जिसमें पीएसए में कोई ये सारे इश्यूज़ थे कि फार्मर्स को ज़्यादा मिल रहा है एंड दे आर वर्किंग ऑन जैगरी एंड they have problems with the indicative prices and all that, supplies and all that. Here I've tried to reference it here, every number on every table. Here I tried to make other tables कि हमारे पास बिगनिंग स्टॉक कितना था, एंडिंग स्टॉक कितना था, एवरेज मंथली रिटेल प्राइस कितना है, एंड देन एवरेज मंथली रिटेल प्राइस फॉर एवरी मंथ कंजम्पशन कितना है शुगर का, और एवरी मंथ हमारा रिटेल प्राइस कितना है, टू मेक द कोरिलेशनल एनालिसिस इन दिस. सारा पीएसएम रिपोर्ट से था, तो दैट आई डिड. फिर आई वेंट टू कि केन क्रशिंग सीजन कितना कब स्टार्ट होता है for the Punjab and Sindh and the KPK. I found the data for Punjab and Sindh, but not the KPK. सिंध में भी जो कुछ पंजाब में थोड़ा बहुत एक्सटेंसिव डेटा है, बट दैन दैट गेट्स मिसिंग इन सिंध. फिर सिंध का कुछ डेटा है जो पंजाब में नहीं है. सो आई ट्राई टू रेफरेंस इट विद वट एवर इज अवेलेबल, what is inferred and what was available information. So I tried to do that. So here I went to marketing seasons देखने के शुगर प्लेन प्लांटिंग तो क्या सीज़न था किस टाइम पे पंजाब में, एंड देन हार्वेस्टिंग का, केन क्रशिंग, शुगर मेकिंग एंड रिफाइनिंग, दीज आर द प्रोसेसेस. तो सिंध में you have this sugar cane planting, harvesting and cane crushing data, but you don't have sugar making and refining data. मुझे नहीं मिला ऐसा possible है. uh, cane Punjab में you have cane crushing, sugar making and sugar refining data in the Punjab Commissioner brief order, but you don't have the sugar planting season and the harvesting dates. Possible है होगा, but I did not find it. Nor did I find it for the KPK and Balochistan. Balochistan में you have only one mill. Then I went to find out the whole supply chain from occupier to cane commissioner, Godam for Punjab. You have details for Punjab for supply chain in the order of 2021, but not for Sindh that much in detail. I have to study the whole detail and supply chain. Then I went to find the sugarcane seed statistics and all that. I will brief it all and try to document it in further. So yeah, this is whole that I've worked in. FAS का फिर मैंने डेटा उठाया. I've tried to put it. Marketing years कितना था उनके पास, consumption का कितना था. Here the data is different to 5,230 इस रिपोर्ट में, with reference to PSMA की रिपोर्ट. तो ये भी थोड़ा डेटा के इनकन्सिस्टेंसीज हैं. पॉसिबल है, पर perhaps I'm still learning. मुझे नहीं मिला होगा, but this is what I've been trying to work, and this is getting slower. Well, just trying to give you the brief glimpse into this. I'll try to expand it further. This is the short video I'm trying to make, so and I'll try to make more videos ahead.